In this video, I will guide you on how to cancel Claude AI Pro subscription. First of all, launch open any web browser and head over to Claude.ai. Make sure to log into your account. Now, click on your account name. Once you click on it, select the settings option. Once you're here, select the option of billing. Now you're going to find a couple of things over here. If you're using a pro plan, you will find your payment details, your invoices, and cancellation option. In the cancellation section, you will find the cancel option. Go ahead and select that. Once you select the cancel option, you will have to select a reason as to why you want to cancel Claude. Select the reason and then click on the cancel plan option. Now you want to confirm via email if that is prompted. Remember that your plan will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.